Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Bull Bay in St. Thomas, Jamaica. We are actually we're coming up to the border between Bull Bay is both in the parish of St. Andrew and the parish of St. Thomas. So we are actually at the border. So there is a sign, welcome to St. Thomas. Okay, so we've just entered St. Thomas now. Although those signs aren't really at the geographical border, but they're very close. Okay, there's another sign that says Ministry of Education, Bull Bay School. Okay, so now this section of Bull Bay is going to be hit hard because a new highway has been built, and the highway is free to use, called the Southern Coastal Highway. Some people call it the St. Thomas Highway. So the highway actually bypasses this section of Bull Bay. So these establishments you see along the road are going to see a serious fall off in traffic or business, because you no longer have to drive on this road. You can drive, if you're heading to say St. Thomas, or I'm sorry, we're in St. Thomas, if you're heading towards Yalos, you no longer have to use this road. And unfortunately this road is not going to be upgraded or fixed right now because they have a highway. So from 11 miles in Bull Bay, where the video started, to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, the highway, which is a 4-lane dual carriageway highway, real highway, it's going to go over the hill. So it's going to bypass this entire area. So you see the bars, the cook shops, the restaurants, the person selling ackee on the side of the road, they're going to be seriously impacted because you no longer have to use this road. And as we said, the quality of the road it's not of the best quality. So why would you drive on this road? You're going to St. Thomas and you have a highway to go on. So this section is going to see some fallout, I should say. And unfortunately, persons in Grandspen are complaining because the same thing happened to that area, Grandspen in St. Thomas. The highway bypasses Grandspen. A new road has been built over the hill bypassing Grandspen. So they have already started to complain about the slowdown in business because that road is open and persons are using it. The section of the highway that will bypass this area is not finished yet. So these persons haven't started to experience those problems yet. Alright, so out here is where the highway comes back out now. So the new road between 11 miles in Bull Bay comes back out here and runs along the existing roadway. So this is the Suncoast Adventure Park out here. So here you can see that highway now is going to go straight across the road and into the section that we just came from. So this is where the highway basically, the new section that's being built over the hill joins back the highway that's running along the existing roadway. So the entire stretch of road that we just drove on, you won't have to drive on if you're on the highway. Hi guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.